everybody from Animal Kingdom. We just got into the park this morning. No extra magic hours for us here today, but not that we really needed it because we stayed up until like 1:30 last night partying in Magic Kingdom for the Disney After Hours event. So we slept as much as possible today. Mom's taking a quick tour, so I thought I'd pop on and say hello to everyone. We do not have quite so much scheduled out today, so it shouldn't be quite as chaotic, although I don't know, we're not really sure what we're gonna do. We just decided we'd check out Animal Kingdom since it's not one that we've spent a lot of time in yet. We do know that we will not be going on the Avatar Flight of Passage ride because the park literally just opened 10 minutes ago and it has a 3-hour wait already. So that's something that we didn't realize was gonna happen. Our original game plan was like come here right when the park opens and hop on all the Avatar rides so that we could get them out of the way. And then we've quickly learned that that is just not the case. So we are gonna go on the Navi River journey and then we're gonna just go around to all the other areas. So anyway, it looks like Mom's ready to head on over to Avatar, so we'll see you over there. There's the Tree of Life. Looking majestic and beautiful. Almost 200 minutes. My God. It's not happening today.
Why do you say 800 everybody?
I wonder how long it will take our food order. Let's see if we can track it on here.
I don't think you're as funny, but I don't think you're not as funny as you're looking at her.
Alright, so we just finished up over in Dinoland USA. We rode the dinosaur ride and we were pleasantly surprised by a shorter wait because the app did say it was going to be about 50 minutes and then we got there and it was only 20 minutes, so can't be mad about that. But Mom's here. So we did a little bit of shopping and now we've decided it's time for an early lunch. So Mom is going to give us a quick demonstration on how to place a mobile order because the line at Flame Tree Barbecue is already long and they've only been open for 5 minutes. And so it's definitely a good idea to take advantage of the mobile ordering. We did it last night and it was awesome. So now we're going to show you how it's done.
In order to do the online ordering, I just go to my Disney Experience app. Once I open it up, I click on order food. And then the internet's a little slow. Okay, and so these are all the food places that are close by. So I choose Flame Tree Barbecue because that's the one we're after. And then you click order food, and don't try to order food before it opens because it won't let you. I thought, oh, we could order early. No, 11 is when it opens, so 11 is when I can start my online order. So then I go in and I can just kind of scroll through the menu, or if you know what you want, you can click on it up top. But I think that we are looking to get this delicious baked mac and cheese with the pulled pork to share.
That's nice that they show you photos of everything that you order as well.
Yeah, it looks really good. So we have one of those. We're gonna add it. And then I don't know that we want anything else, but we're gonna scroll just to make sure there's nothing else, like a healthy salad that would help if we ordered, but I don't see any healthy salads. So I think we're just gonna finish it. I view my order, and gosh, we could order onion rings to enhance our meal, but I think that we are good to go. So yeah. I'm just gonna review, and submit. And it's just that easy. Then it will send you a notice when it's ready, and it'll say, pick up your order.
Yeah, and it usually tells you like which bay to go to and things like that.
If it's a big restaurant. I think this one just has one bay. So
yeah, so pretty easy, and now we get to sit and wait and not stand in the long line.
This is pretty sweet.
Yeah. So it says it's ready. Perfect. Good to go.
An explorer is a friend to all. An explorer is a friend to all. Be it plant or fish or tiny mole. Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Okay, Chris is in the back. He's got plenty of treats. Here we go. Big greeting.
Now keto makes us laugh quite a bit, right, Adam?
She absolutely does. You know, I would tell you more about keto, like what kind of parrot she is, but she could do it instead. This is Keto, and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And they're usually found in Central and South America, but Keto has grown up with people her entire life. And she's learned some neat stuff from the family she grew up with, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like her animal sounds.
That's so good.
And which one's your favorite?
The tiger.
The big, the scary, the tiger?
Alright, so we have just sat down with our second lunch of the day. We just finished up over at Up a Great Bird Adventure. What'd you think of the show, Mom?
I thought it was really cute.
I thought it was cute too. I think that's new within the last year, so it's always nice to take a break from the craziness of rides and just enjoy the show for a little bit, sit and relax and watch some good entertainment. So, but we are hungry again, so you want to walk us through what we're having now?
This was the honey sesame chicken and rice. And then we had a pork egg roll and some sangria.
So, and I think you might have sipped the sangria already and you have nodded in approval, yes?
It's good, it's not too sweet. I don't like sweet most any drinks, and it's pretty delicious.
Yeah. We just left the Festival of the Lion King. Holy crap.
Yeah, it was like
I have
freaking
blown
Broadway
away.
show.
Yeah, it was like 30 minutes long. I mean, you really, you know, if that doesn't pay for your theme park ticket, that's some high quality entertainment for you right there. So
Yeah, it was really good.
It was like fire and acrobatics. It was wild. Yeah, literally wild. So definitely don't skip that. I know you come to theme parks to ride rides, but like go see that show because
It was super good.
that makes the experience. So we are, it's about 2:30 and we actually have some fast passes over at Magic Kingdom. So we're headed out of here and we will see you over at the other park for our evening adventures. Alright, so we have landed in Magic Kingdom, and I can't tell what time it is. What time is it, Mom? 3:56. So it took us about an hour to get over to Magic Kingdom from Animal Kingdom, which is kind of a long time it seems like, but you know, the convenience of not having to bring your car and all those other factors is pretty good, so there's a trade-off there. But we did have to wait for about 15 minutes for our bus to come and then load it all up and go through bag check again, so you know, that's kind of the expense of a hopper pass, but you get to experience multiple parks in a day, so you know, there's a trade-off there. But I felt myself crashing on the bus, so I got myself a little coffee, picked me up, and then we arrived at the park just in time for the afternoon parade. We got to see Maleficent, who has just returned to the parade after a hiatus of some mechanical issues, so got to see her in all her glory, although I missed the fire breathing moment, so whoops, happens. And now we are on to the rest of our day. So we have a fast pass scheduled for Peter Pan's flight, and then we're just basically going to be hanging out in Fantasyland for the rest of the day until our dessert party over at the Tomorrowland Terrace. Alright, so we have arrived at Tomorrowland Terrace for our dessert party for viewing the Happily Ever After show, and it is 6:19. We decided to show up early, expecting to have to, you know, camp out at a good table so that we could get a really good view of the show, but they actually gave us these wristbands, I'll show you later, and said that we could leave and come back if we wanted to. So we're kind of contemplating our choices now at this point, because they've got all kinds of stuff, and I'll take the camera around and show you guys just everything that we get included, but that was something I was not expecting. I figured once we got into this area, we were gonna have to stay in the Tomorrowland Terrace area, you know, but they save our spot. Yeah, but they put this nice little reserved sign on our table, so I mean, in theory, if we wanted to go ride another ride, we could go ride another ride. If we wanted to go shopping, we could go shopping, and then we would still get this lovely table. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you ever book this for yourself, definitely show up early and get the wristbands, so that way you get the best table, and then you don't even have to waste your time hanging out here. Alright, so to start the goods off, we have a cupcake decorating station. We have cookies. We got some drinks. We got the sparkling apple cider. So I think I am gonna have a tea myself personally. I like to drink tea in the evenings. So let's see, we have an assortment over here. Kind of don't want something that is caffeinated. Jasmine green tea sounds good. Is that what you went for, Mom?
I just got the plain.
Oh yeah?
Nope, I got jasmine.
Did you? Oh, well, they're both jasmine. Okay. Chocolate dipped strawberries with the little Happily Ever After on it. Cute. Pineapple Delight. Assorted macarons. And then just in case you don't want chocolate, there's some spinach dip, secret sauce, and cheeseburger rolls. Cheers! Alright, so here's round one from the dessert buffet. I got their pineapple delight, which looks like it's maybe got some Dole Whip business going on. I got the triple berry layer cake, brownie cheesecake bite, raspberry macaron, chocolate macaron, a Mickey push pop, or cookies and cream push pop, and of course the chocolate covered strawberry with the happily ever after logo on it. So how'd you do, Mom? Looks like we got some similar items.
We did. I got a chocolate macaron, a coffee flavored macaron.
Oh, I didn't see the coffee flavored macaron.
They had like all these different kinds.
Well, I just saw the raspberry and the chocolate, and that's what I ended up doing. So anyway.
I forget what kind of cupcake this was. Some kind of 2019 maybe.
Oh, it kind of looks like a funfetti kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like,
and then I got another one.
One of those. Those so good.
So
yeah, I figured I was gonna get my way through this and then go back and get another one of those. So.
And then I went for some healthy fruit options because I thought that would be a good idea.
You did better than me. So fortunately we have like 2 hours, almost, an hour and a half before the show starts. So let's see how much of this we can actually eat. Alright, so it is getting a little dark out here, so sorry if this is kind of hard to see, but the setting is nearing for our castle showing. Such a good view. But anyway, I decided to go savory for my next round of snacks. So this is a spinach artichoke dip with some crackers and just a few cheese cubes. And then they had a cheeseburger egg roll with secret sauce. So it'll be interesting to see what the secret sauce is like. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for the evening. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also come say hi to me on my social media channels. And before I go though, I will leave you with some views of the Happily Ever After show.